What is up, YouTubers? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. It is time to work on your hands. This is an exercise from one of my hand speed courses on Mike'sLessons.com. So after this lesson, if you feel like, man, I really need to work on my hands, head on over to Mike'sLessons.com and check out the hand speed courses there. And just a heads up, my hand speed courses are not designed just to make your hands faster. They're designed with specific exercises that obviously build speed, but we want to build control as well. We want to make sure that your dynamic control is in check so that you can express yourself properly on the drum set. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to work. This is a fairly simple exercise involving two rudiments, the paradiddle and the flam tap. So if you don't know single paradiddles, and if you don't know flam taps, go to Mike'sLessons.com. But assuming that you do, this is going to be a single paradiddle, paradiddle. As the left hand is coming up, you're gonna have left hand lead flam tap, flam tap. So paradiddle, flam tap. You're gonna do that twice and then one more paradiddle. Paradiddle, flam tap, paradiddle, flam tap, paradiddle. So that first measure is all right hand lead. Paradiddle, flam tap, paradiddle, flam tap, paradiddle, shigga boop. Now the left hand is up and it's ready to start, and we're going to do the second measure, left hand lead. Left diddle, flam tap, left diddle, flam tap, left diddle. Then you start the whole beautiful thing all over again. So just to recap, paradiddle, flam tap, paradiddle, flam tap, paradiddle, shigga boop, switch, left a diddle, flam tap, left a diddle, flam tap, left a diddle. Let's give it a shot. You got to do it with me, 60 beats per minute. Don't play just because you heard a click. Subdivide first. Ready and go and left a diddle, flam tap, left a diddle, flam tap, left a diddle, right a diddle, flam tap, right a diddle, flam tap, right a diddle, diddle, flam tap, left a diddle, flam tap, left a diddle. Now if you're doing this with me right now and you think, I got this down, do me a favor. Tell me your address. Right now. Talk to the screen and tell me your address. Left a diddle, flam tap. If you can't speak while doing this, you don't have it down yet. All right, one more bar. Left a diddle, flam tap, left a diddle, flam tap, left a diddle, stop. Now I started you off at 60 BPM, but that doesn't mean that that's the learning tempo. Learn this as slow as you need to learn it. I learned this stuff at 10 BPM. Right, what comes after that? Left, I think there's a right, yep, and then another right. So it doesn't matter how slow you go, learn it however you need to learn it. Then once you get it down, try it with me at 60, then try it with me at our medium tempo, 90 BPM. Making green tea, gots to do it with me now. Paradiddle, flam tap, paradiddle, flam tap, paradiddle, left a diddle, flam tap, left a diddle. Relax your grip. We don't want this. Killing it. Got it. No, it's good. I got it. No, you don't. That was really hard to do. Last bar. Boop. Now we went from 60 beats per minute to 90 beats per minute. That is a huge jump, so don't freak out if you couldn't do that with me. You're gonna have to put in some time. You can't just watch this video and think, dude, I watched your video on faster hands. I thought I'd have faster hands by now. It doesn't work that way. You gotta put in the time. If you did feel comfortable with me at 90 BPM, we're going to our goal tempo, 130 beats per minute. I'm really glad that worked. 2, ready, go. This is motabulating. Is that a word? Motabulating. I think it is. Relax that grip. And yes, you have to keep going. One more cycle. Last bar. Boop. Did you do it? If you could do that with me, you've got some hands. Congratulations. Now, if you couldn't do that with me, don't freak out. You're gonna have to put in the time. You always see these videos on Instagram and on YouTube and you just assume, I don't know, I guess they just woke up and that's how good they were. You missed out on the years and years of practice I put in with T-zone acne and braces and hair. It was a rough go. And due to not having any friends, I had plenty of time to practice. So don't look at the finished result and assume there wasn't a ton of hard work that went into that result. So like I said earlier, if you want to go deeper into the stuff and get faster and more controlled hands, head on over to Mike'sLessons.com. If you use the promo code YouTube when you're signing up, you will get 2 free weeks to see if my style of education really fits with you. But until the next time, go practice.